What's the meaning of barber? Barber. Barber.
Barber. Barber. The word barber refers to a person who is trained and skilled in the art of cutting and trimming hair, particularly that of men. Barbers also typically offer facial hair grooming services such as shaving and beard trimming. The practice of barbering dates back to ancient times when barbers also served as surgeons and dentists. In modern times, barbershops have become cultural hubs, places where people gather not only for grooming but also for socializing and conversation. The profession has also evolved to include unisex salons and mobile barbering services. Overall, barbers play an important role in helping people maintain their appearance and self-confidence.